Hi guys, I'm going to have Alex help me and we're going to work out one of the geometry problems, got number um, 30 through 33. I hope this helps. I'm going to have Alex turn around so you can see his face. All right. So here's what we're going to do. We know the area is equal to length times width. Okay? We also know that perimeter is equal to 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. Okay, so if I know that my area is equal to 24, and I know that my perimeter is equal to 20, then I know L times W equals 24, and 2L plus 2W equals 20. Now, what I want to do is I want to use the substitution method to solve these equations. So if L times W equals 24, then I can divide both sides by W, and L equals 24 divided by W. I'm going to take this amount, I'm going to plug it into the other equation. So 2 times 24 divided by W plus 2 times W equals 20. Okay, we know that 2 times 24 is 48 divided by W plus 2 times W equals 20. Now we really kind of need a common denominator. Either that, or we can multiply both sides by W. Probably the easiest way to handle this would be to multiply both sides of the equation by W and get rid of this W we have here. So let's do that. Now, right side CC, that's 20 times W. On the left side, W times 48 divided by W would be 48. And W times 2W would be 2W squared. Alright, now let's see. Next thing we probably want to do is move the 20W over to this other side. So I'm going to put things in order as I'm doing that. I'm going to say 2W squared minus 20W by subtracting the 20W from the other side plus 48 equals 0. I have my quadratic equation. To make it easier on ourselves, let's get rid of 2. So let's divide both sides by 2. W squared minus 10W plus 24 equals 0. Now, if that's the case, I can factor this. So I've got W here, I've got W here. It's a minus plus, which means that it factors to a minus minus. And if that's the case, two values that would multiply and make 24, but add and make 10, would be 4 and 6. So either w minus 4 equals 0, or w minus 6 equals 0. If w minus 4 equals 0, we add 4, and w equals 4. If w minus 6 equals 0, we add 6, and w equals 6. Now, let's go back to our length times width equation. If length times width equals 24, and I'll let the width equal 4, then length times 4 equals 24. Divide by 4, and length has to equal 6. If length times width equals 24, and our length times our w equal to 6 equals 24, we divide both sides by 6, and our length is equal to 4. So, in this case, we know that length is usually the longer one, so, or compared to width, so we'll say length is equal to 6, width is equal to 4. Okay, I know I showed a lot more steps than probably you guys would need to, because I'm trying to show all my steps, but I hope this helps with doing those last 4 problems from today's assignment. Hope you are all doing well, and I really hope I see you guys soon.